Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this reddish burgundy look over here. I love it a lot, so I'm gonna share with you all my secrets. We're gonna start with a very intense hydration of the skin. As usually, I'm always gonna correct the color of my under eyes. As you know, I am applying this cream corrector from Makeup Forever in this shade CC30. It's a cream corrector that will help me apply less concealer underneath my eyes. For foundation, I'm using these two shades from MAC Pro. I'm really a fan of not having too many foundations. I always use two shades, a darker one, a lighter one. And I like to mix them until I am satisfied with the color. I have a problem with my skin, so in winter it's very light, and in summer I get really tan, close to dark skin. So that's why I like not to buy too many shades. I always use one lighter and one darker, and you can always mix. Because I have a lot of hydration underneath my foundation, the application is going to be by dabbing it. I don't want to brush back and forth because this will mix all my layers and the effect is not going to be that nice. For concealer, I'm using a Makeup Forever one. It's E31. As you can see, I am barely touching my skin with the product. I am applying layer after layer until I have enough light and the coverage that I want. I am not a big fan of putting a lot of product and then blend it with a sponge. I think that will make you look cakey, and I really don't like that.
Never know what's in store when we're rowdy and bored. Honey, can we catch some floating fireflies? Let them light our way tonight through the neverland skies. Oh, the whole night through. 'Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up.
For contouring, I am using the darkest shade of my foundation. I'm starting applying the color as close as possible to my hairline, and then with whatever is left on the brush, I am coming and blending towards my mouth. To set up the whole face, basically I'm using a loose powder from Makeup Forever. I'm going to apply it all over my face, but starting from the areas where I apply the concealer.
Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free, baby, we could dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow up.
On top of the sculpting, I am going to come with a bronzer, also from Makeup Forever. And basically what I am going to do is shape a little bit more the contouring. Blush, I'm going to use Artist Face Color from Makeup Forever in this shade B500. With this brush I'm going to apply a little bit of pigment and blend it into my sculpting, if that makes any sense.
Midnight moonlight dancing, never get enough sleep. Oh, the whole night through. And we could count.
For the highlight, I'm also gonna use Artist Face color from Makeup Forever in the shade H102. I'm going to apply it on top of the blush, but also on it. So I'm gonna try to mix these two colors together so it seems more flawless and more beautiful.
'Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun.
Okay, time for my eyes. After I primed my eyes with my Prolonged Concealer, I'm going to use these colors over here. First, I'm going to mix it and apply it all over my eyelid.
Baby, could we misbehave a bit more? Never know what's in store when we're rowdy and bored. Honey, can we catch some floating fireflies? Let them light our way tonight through the night.
After I applied the two colors mixed together in a sort of almondy shape, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and slightly blend the edges so there are no harsh lines.
Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free, baby.
After I am satisfied with the blending, I am gonna take the burgundy color and apply it all over my mobile lid. On my lower lash, I'm gonna do basically the same thing. I'm gonna apply first the two colors mixed together, and then I'm going to come with the burgundy color as close as possible of my lashes.
Scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream.
Now I'm going to take this yellow color in the shade M402, and I'm going to apply it all over in the interior of my eyes.
Wild and free, baby, we could dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow up.
Next I'm going to apply this glittery color from Sephora. In the waterline I am going to apply a burgundy pencil and some mascara, and voila! This is the look. For the lips, my camera wasn't focused very well, but I wanted to keep it very nude. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. If so, don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next one. Bye!